need connect the PC and the server. You need to prepare the RS422 to USB connector and RJ45 cable. And it is important because this is our VD1, and this is the power cable and the motor power cable, and this one is the RS42 to communicate with PLC or other or HMI, and this one is the RS422. This port is only used to connect the PC and connect to PC. Okay. And this one is the connect with the PLC. The PLCs do this port to control the server motor. And this one is the encode cable. Okay. The most important is to connect with PC server software. We need to use this port, and so we need to prepare the connector, the RS42 to USB connector. Okay, this is the connector. Okay. And this is the only ways to connect the PC and the server. We can use the RS485 to connect the PC and the server. You need to pay attention. And how to connect the RS485 to the connector? You need to find the weld like RX positive negative, TX positive negative, and ground terminal in the RZ45 and connect them to the RS422 connector. Okay. About this part, do you have any question?
No, not yet.
Oh, by the way, our configurator is Freedom Eastern, so you just download it and run it. Is okay. And next, I will show you the software. When you first time open this software, you'll put out a window to select the language. Wait a moment. Oh. Okay. You will put out window and you can select a language from here. Because my system language is Chinese, so he will show the Chinese. But if your system language is English, he will put out the English window. Okay, and we can select the language from here. And this is the interface, and this software will divide into 4 arrows. The first arrow is the Windows switch bar, and we can through those buttons to change the function. Okay, we have 5 functions: parameter, monitor, and debugging, waveform, and arrow. Okay, I will introduce you one by one. And the second arrow is the communication part. Yeah, here is the communication bar, and the next arrow is main Windows workspace. Here is the main Windows workspace, and the last part is status bar here. And when you connect with server, it will display some information. Okay, you can see it. So at first time, you want to you connect servers. You need to you can open the device manager to find a the port. In this computer, the port is the COM3, and we select COM3. Okay, and we click the connect. Will display the window. Okay, and you have 3 ways to read the parameter. The first one is the read from the server driver, and it is easy to understand. And the second one is read from the local parameter. This software can explore and improve the parameter. So I can show you. I will show you later. Okay, and the last one is do not read. Normally we select the first one. Okay, and now I will introduce the parameters function. And in this part, we have three arrows. The first arrow is the parameter groups. We have 30 group, 13, and this part is to read the information, read the data, or download the data. And this part is the parameter list, and this part is description. Okay, and when we select the parameter, and here we'll display the description. Okay. Why we use the why we use the this function? Because if you want to download if you want to set the parameter without this software, you only can do is set in the set with the server spot button, right? And you and one by one to do it. So it's not easy. It's not easy if you have many parameters to set. So if you use these tools, you can set multiple parameters at once. Okay. Do you have any question about this? Okay. No.
Not
okay.
yet. No.
Let's continue. And how to set a value, and if you want to set value, you double clear here, and you will put out the window, and you can enter the value you want to save. For example, we set the servers to speed control mode and save it, and this line will change to the orange, right? And now you can download it to the server, and it will display the result. and set up successful. And you will see effective time. Yeah, and this parameter need if you want to set this parameter you need to power down again and add a stop. The motor need stop the motor. Okay, and if the effective time is power on again, you will see the error code in the server like this, the 885. And when you see this error, you need to repower the server. Okay. And if the effective time is immediately, you don't need to power on again. Okay. And catalog read and stop. Wait a moment. It means if you give the motor, if you run the motor, this parameter can be set. I will show you. I will try to give the motor. Enable, okay, and now the speed mode control speed. Wait. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Let's see the video. Make the video. Sorry. Some problem with the server's motor. Just forget it. Let's continue. And we can suppose explore and import the parameter list, and we can export it to a backup, and we can select the house. And say it export successful, and you also can open it to the office. I don't have office in this computer, so I can. Wait a moment, sorry. Hmm? Yeah, you can see it, and you can change it. You also can change it. Okay. And you can you also can import it. So you can move this rows parameter to another server. Okay. About this part, do you have any question? Hello. Hi. You guys have any question? No?
No.
Okay. The next part is the next part is the monitor. Okay. Well, enter this functions. You will not see any value from here because you need to query it. Okay, and you can see the value, but you only read the servers once. So if you want to read the servers real time, to get a real time values, you can click here, auto refresh. You will see the value is changing. Okay. And the value only these two values is binaries. Okay, and input and output. When the 0 change to 1, it means the input or output is owned. Okay, and from here you can see the len code or failed code, error code, and this way will display the reason. Okay. Okay. And about this part, do you have any question? No. Okay.
No.
Okay. Let's continue. And the next part is an important part. You can how to say? In order to make the server's models run more smoothly, when the customer first use the model, they need to set a load, load and and how to say this word? Sorry. Inertia, load inertia, right? But lots of customers don't know how to set it, and at this moment, we can use this function, and this function can help you set those parameters automatically. Okay, and from here you can change make the server's model on or off, and here you can change the speed. Okay, and if you want to use the road inertia functions, you need to change the control model to the positions control. And now the motor is running, and at this time you can change the control model. So I need to turn off the model. And now I can write download a select key. Yeah, the setup is success. And now I can we can do the identify, and we turn the servers on. I'll show the error. And we need to power it on again. That's okay. I have I take a video. We can see the video. Wait a moment. Suppose improve the load. Future. Okay. Okay. Fine. Wait a moment. Let me. Can you see the video? When you use this function, you need to forward a reward to circle, and after move the model forward and or reward to circles, the identifies button will can be used. If you don't do that, you can use this function. And after maybe 1 minute, the you can see it. Those values will be set automatically. Can you see that? And this part, if you have any error code, you will display in here. And okay, if your machines only need to forward or reverse, you can change here forward and forward. You just move forward and reverse, and forward and reverse. You will two-way. And then we need to go the next step. It is the parameter self-tuning. Generally speaking, after self-tuning is over, the only things that may need to be adjusted is the setiveness level. You understand what I mean? this STIFF level. On this, we only need to set is the participantness level, okay? And you also need to wait maybe 1 minute. 1 minute. And here you will display the date summary and the result and the server's parameters, the current value. Okay. And he will and this function will choose the best value need to set, and you can download it to the server. So in this time, if you hear the noise, it's better to turn it off and try it again. Okay, you see the test is down, and you can choose update the parameter to the driver. Okay. And then the debugging is okay. About this part, do you have any question? Hi.
I think
Hello?
not yet. Not yet.
No question? Okay, good.
No.
And the next is the waveform. The waveform have divided into the three arrow. This arrow is to display the waveform, and this arrow is used to choose the what kinds waveform you want to check. For example, you can select the real-time speed, the positions feedback, okay, and you also can zoom and offset the waveform to help you see the waveforms more easily. And about the how to which waveform we need to note, we can select from here faster channel selection. When you use the positions controlled, you can click here and speed. Okay. And this part is operations arrow. You also can zoom this table. Okay. And here recording. If you click the recording, you will record the waveform. Let me show you. Because I don't have PLC now, so I'm trying. I will show you the waveforms in the speed control mode. Okay, and now the motor is running, and we click the recording. We'll change it to the speed motor and click the recording. You will see the waveform. Yeah, and you can turn off one of them. So, do you know this way? The waveform. The purpose of using the waveform function is to help the customer solve the problem. For example, the customer hears some noise from the server model in the position mode. We can check the positions we want and change the, and then we can find the reason and change the parameter for the customer. Okay.
Okay.
And if you guys have any question about the server, so if you guys made some error and you can save it, you want to ask me, you can send this waveform for me. I can then I will know the problem, and I will tell you what can I do and how to solve the problem. Okay.
Okay.
It is important for me, for us, and how to show this this waveform. You can save the data. Okay, waveform points only 1,100 1 million. Okay, and you can send this document for me to me. Okay. And then this one is also can save the data. You can choose the path. Okay, and the last buttons, you will make a screenshot, and then you will say the screen, say the photo, take a picture. So, like this. If the waveform have some problem, I can check from the picture or the documents. Okay.
Okay.
And last one is the arrow. You can it is the same like here, but the left arrow he will display the reason, and the right side he will show you the solution, how to save this problem. Okay, now it's if the driver don't have the arrow, it will not display the information. Okay.
Okay.
And do you have any question about this software?
I think no.
I think no. Okay. What about the other people? Any question, or do you have any question for others? Or do you have any information want to know about, for example, the VD2? You also can ask me.
Okay.
No?
Maybe for now,
Mm-hmm.
nothing. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That is all. So if you don't have any question, we can finish this training.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
And
you.
after this training, I will send you the document, and I hope you can give me some advice about the training. Okay.
Yes. Can send to me.
Thank you for you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. See you. See you.
See you.